Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the TVCOM app to your Hisense smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install TVCOM, here's what you have to do. On your Hisense smart TV, locate where your app store is and click OK to launch the app store. Now your Hisense app store should look the same like mine because it's a VIDA operating system. And then now once you're here, just go over to the search button, type in name application, which is TVCOM. So go over here, type in TVCOM, which is TV and com. So here's it. Once you type in, you can just go ahead and search. So here's the application TVCOM, and you click OK, and then you can start. You can bring it to the installation page where you simply have to just click install, and the application is going to install straight away. Now you choose where to place it on your home, and then you are good to go. You can go ahead then and launch the application. That's how to install it. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.